Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a very good publication website called Weebly. I use it for a classroom web page and then blog, but you can use Weebly as a web page or you can even make a store. I remember whenever I was in high school, we made a Weebly page for our school store. It was called Tiger Mart, and we were able to post things like T-shirts and everything. And people, including our parents and students, were able to go online and order things. So that would be a good publication, way to use publication in a high school classroom. But anyway, so here's my. I'm going to edit my web page that I have made before. Once you create it, you can always go in and edit it. When you first start off on a new page, you create your own URL, something that hasn't been used before. And here's my home page. You can build it here. You can change your title, text. You can add new images. You can see I put a little welcome. This is what people will first see when they click on my website, and then you can also fill out the contact. I chose to do that so that way if anybody needed to contact me, they could. There's all different kinds of different things you can add on here. This is your main editing source right here. And then you click on the pages. You can add new pages. I've put the lunch calendar. You see right here, you can see where I added the lunch menu. So this is just a way for parents to keep parents. This is also a good communication. And then I did the academic calendar. I kind of just tell what we're going to do this week. Student Cool Tools, add some different websites that they can visit. And then also our classroom blog. And now this is where I was thinking that this would be a good publication tool because students can get on my blog. Either they can log in and submit it and make sure they put who it's by and everything, or they can go on here and they can comment on a blog. So that way that parents can see it, other educators can see it. So that's what I thought that would be a good publication. Or they could make their own. We could teach, that could be a good technology standard where they make their own web page and then they post their blogs or assignments or thoughts on their own web page. It's real easy and self-explanatory. You can change your theme. They have all different kinds of themes. I chose this one because it looked kind of like a classroom theme. That's where you can do the store if you wanted to make your web page. But yeah, it's real simple to do and outline, and I think it's very kid friendly too. And you make sure you save it before you post, and it updates it automatically.